Hello, good afternoon, dear friend. How are you? I'm very happy to see you today again, and I hope you enjoy with this program.
Hello, dear friend. I hope you are well. As you know, weather is hot, and we decided to make a koko lubia sabs. It means koko make with eggs and green beans. Be with us. Koko green beans, we boil the water and add green beans. With a little bit of salt, and after 10 minutes when they boil green beans, we add carrot. Now I chopped the carrot a small size and as well onion. I chopped the onion and we put 2 tablespoons of oil to fry onion and add
You see, yeah?
chop carrot to
the beans.
and put lid on to cook. I fry the onion and add turmeric to change the color.
Yeah.
And put it to another side. And now is the time to drain out the water from green beans. Now it's soft.
It's ready, yeah?
Yeah, it's ready. And this one is ready. And we have 4 eggs. Add salt, some salt, and black pepper, and time for baking powder, half of teaspoon. And mix it well. I add green beans and carrot to eggs. And mix well. I put 4 full teaspoons of oil in the big pan and add koko to fry. To press it and in the medium heat to fry and put lid on. Now it must turn the koko to cook to another side.
Yes.
This side is, as you see, is very nice color.
Please don't try at home this part.
And at the moment I don't need to put lid on. With low heat, it's take 10 minutes to cook to another side and it's ready.
Okay, thank you so much for being us today, and I hope you enjoy with koko beans. It's very easy. Please try at home is best for vegetarian or other. As a weekend, Saturday and Sunday, my grandson Edris is here. You know him better than me. Edris, what do you feel about this cuckoo?
I really love the cuckoo, and it really tastes very yummy. And right now I tried it, it was tasty. And I want to say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa, you're the best cookers.
Oh, thank you, dear.
Thank you. You are the best cooker. You are the best cook. Thank you very much and have a lovely day. Bye, Eddie.
Bye.
Bye.